Hi Vera, good evening. How are you?
8404.
Vera, please let us meet.
Wow, what a service.
I also have a provision of normal tap water bottle complimentary from my side. During that, if you need water, please ask for it and enjoy कीजिए अपनी ride. Do you have any music preference?
Wow.
Thank
What
you.
else? Can I get a bottle?
For sure, why not? I'm not just saying for the sake of saying.
Nice. What a luxury service.
Thank you, Vera. You just said Hindi. नहीं, ठीक है. So you are like, देख के तो लग रहा है you are a foreigner. Oh, oh, your husband is Indian.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Can you go to Simran?
For sure, why
Yes,
not?
Shubhankar. I know some Hindi.
Oh, great. Good to know. Can I put
Okay.
that?
Yes.
Oh, great. Thank you so much. Because your consent is required. You're from which country? Russia?
Russia.
See?
How do you know?
Because now the way you were speaking now, so that is basically a Russian accent. This much I understand.
Sitting in the cabin and giving me water candy. It's so cool.
Cheers. नहीं, ये लो, wait.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, Vera. Take care. Good time ahead. Be safe. Bye-bye.
Lovely service.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Wish you same. Bye-bye.
Happy Christmas.
Wish you same, Vera. Bye-bye.